Good morning to all. I am Manshu Dusani and today we will be discussing one of the topics from the industries. The topic is 8D. The 8D documentation. What is 8D? 8D is 8 disciplines. And why it is being used? It is being used to clarify the problems which we are facing while producing the products. Suppose we are in the vendor company and we have to give the product to our parent company, and at the end of the customer we are facing some problem, so we have to eliminate that problem. So these problem we cannot just eliminate at our part, we have to give some of the documentation to the parent company to give the justified documentation to the parent company for how it is this problem is being caused, what are the root cause of that problem and how we rectified, what are the team members. So all this information is being documented and given to the parent company. So the written format of that documentation is called the 8D. Let us see what are the 8Ds in the format. The first is preparation and the plan for the 8D. D0, preparation and the plan for the 8D. Preparation and plan for the 8D is accumulating the data where we are getting the problem and what is the problem. So we accumulate the data from the plant side and from customer side. Both the sides we accumulate the data where we are facing the problem. The second step is to form a team. We have to allot the different tasks and construct the team of the different departments. It can be from the production department, from the quality department, from the purchase department, for the inspection department. All the department people were collaborated together to form a team to solve this problem. After that, D2 is describing the problem. What is the actual problem is? We have to describe in the words or in the sentence what is the actual problem is. After that, we have to describe the problem on the basis of 5 W's, which is who created the problem, when the problem was created, what was the problem, and why this problem occur, where the problem is been find out. Second is 2H, how the problem occur and how many times the problem occur. So we have to use the 5W and 2H principle to describing the problem sentence. After that, we are having the D3, develop interim containment plan. Develop interim containment plan, which is the initiative the company or the plant will take to stop that problem immediately. To solve that problem, we have to stop the problem at itself. So that's called the interim and the containment plan. Now, next topic is D4, determine the root cause. We have to use the Ishikawa or the fishbone diagram for solving this and identifying what are the root cause for the problem. It can be man, it can be machine, it can be environment, it can be methods, and it can be methodologies which is being used for production. After that, we have to give the permanent corrective action for the given causes. We have to take the action for the causes which are producing the faults or the problem during the production process. So D5 is permanent corrective action. D6 is the implementation of that corrective action. We have to implement those corrective action and we have to bring in the habit to follow that procedure or the data which is given to us. Next is D7, prevent reoccurrence. We have to check again and again and clarify that the problem which we occurred and the corrective after taking the corrective action, these problems have not been created and reoccurring at the plant side. And at the last, D8, congratulating the team. We have to congratulate or praise the team for their kind efforts and for continuous improvement toward the product. Thank you. I hope you got the information throughout this.